Please allow me dance, shall we? Let's just dance, guys. But anyways, you guys, so in today's video we're going to be cleaning and decorating my new bathroom. And guys, this right here is immediately after like everything was installed. The whole place was a mess. Look at this, it's all dusty, all dirty. This is going to be like kind of my first time cleaning this bathroom, so that is exactly what we're going to be doing. I actually filmed this video before the last video I uploaded of this bathroom, so this is the before of this bathroom, guys. I just wanted to kind of quickly run the clip for people who didn't see my bathroom review, and also of course I'm going to leave a card in this video in case if you want to go check it out. But this was exactly how this bathroom looked before, guys. It was a mess. It was literally abandoned. We didn't, we never, like for almost a year plus, we've not even entered this bathroom, but this is what it looks like right now. So we're going to just quickly go ahead and clean it. I would say this is after the the contractor handed me the keys, guys. Like when they were all done, they handed me the keys, and this is what I have. I had to go in there, I had to vacuum, I had to clean, I had to mop, and of course the first thing I'm using, the first product I'm using is my Sprayway all-purpose cleaner. I'm going to quickly go in, wipe down the scones, the scones, because like you guys, because of the fact that they did a lot of cutting, especially with the glass install, so we had kind of dust and things all over the bathroom. Once I get that done, I went ahead and sprayed my Sprayway glass cleaner. You guys already know that I absolutely love Sprayway for anything glass, and also I went ahead I'm going ahead to like wipe and clean everywhere, because you guys, like, oh my gosh, I was so shocked with the dust and everything in the bathroom. Upon it's like it's literally a brand new bathroom, but it had a lot of a lot of dust in it, so I had to wipe down the mirrors, the sink, the towel holder, everything had to be wiped down. And also of course the toilet. This was actually like my first time ever washing that toilet, because like I told you guys, we have a smart toilet in this bathroom right now. So basically I'm just going ahead to like wipe down, and as I'm wiping, I'm washing. But yeah, it's time for the toilet, and I'm using this toilet spray right here. And yep, you guys, literally everything in this bathroom is literally brand new. So guys, I'm gonna link every single thing you can see me use in today's bathroom, in terms of like the things you guys see me cleaning with, or even the things I used to decorate my bathroom. I'm gonna link each and everything in my description box in case you guys want to check them out. But yeah, basically I just went ahead and washed the toilet. That toilet have never been used, guys, so I washed it and also I cleaned it up. And this right here is actually my very first time cleaning a glass bathroom door, or whatever it's called. So I researched and I found that using is this called a squeegee? I think that's what it's called. They said using this is the best when it comes to cleaning your bathroom glass. So that is exactly what I'm doing here. I went ahead and sprayed some of my Sprayway glass cleaner, but I find that I'm using Sprayway glass cleaner is definitely going to be too expensive because the glass is huge. So I actually went to my supermarket and I found a glass cleaner, even though it was sprayware I used for this video. But what I use for the glass right now is I even forgot the name of the product, but it's more convenient and also not as expensive as the sprayware. But anyways guys, once I finished with that, I went ahead and I mopped the floor because the whole floor was a mess. Like, it was literally, it had a lot of dirt. Like, as you guys are looking at it right now, you don't see anything, but it had a lot of dirt on it. And this is the next day. Of course, as you all can see, I went ahead and put on my makeup. I looked all good, unlike, you know, the previous clip where I didn't even have any makeup on. I had my natural hair. I was just looking like a housewife. But anyways, you guys, so first thing first is to go ahead. I went ahead and added this rope. I picked up these two ropes from Amazon, and I actually had this rope in my in my second bathroom, guys, so I knew I needed two of it in this new bathroom, so I added those two right there. So over here, I'm going ahead to add up some towels, guys. This towel, I believe, is from Walmart, and I absolutely love the quality, guys. It's a very nice thick towel, and I love this design on it. And I'm going ahead to just add it up on my to put it on my towel warmer. As you all can see, I went ahead and put it on, and then I set it to 4 hours. This is meant to warm up your towels, especially if you live in a cold state, you know, or in a cold area. All right, so I went ahead also and added some towel on my towel ring, and for some reason I felt like I needed kind of life in this bathroom. You guys know green is all about life, so I decided to put a plant right here, and this plant is from, I think, Amazon or Walmart. I can't even remember, but of course everything is going to be linked in my description box. But I absolutely love this plant right here. It kind of added a very nice color to the bathroom. And then also I went ahead and I absolutely love this this bathroom mat right here. So I went ahead and put it, you know, by my shower side and also by my vanity area. And of course I also went ahead and added an ottoman. This right here comes in handy now, especially for the fact that I spend a lot of time in the bathroom with my skincare. All right, so also these 3 bottles I picked up from Amazon, and I knew I needed something like I could add my shampoo, conditioner, and also body wash. So this right here fits into my niche. Like, you guys, my niche, we actually planned to do it a 10-inch niche, but for some reason, I don't know, after like the tiles and everything was installed, it came up to be probably 8 inches, right? So I couldn't fit in longer bottles, as you all can see. So these bottles were just like perfect for that space right there. And also I went ahead and added some hand wash. And you guys, I was tempted to actually use this 9 Western bottle because it's so cute, but I wanted everything to match, you know, with my bathroom. So I decided to just transfer the hand soap inside this one right here. And you guys, I absolutely love how everything kind of ties together. I was working with black kind of to accessorize, and also black, gray, gold, white. So basically over here I'm just doing a little bit of, you know, tray and bathroom tray arrangement. I have my candle, I have my hand soap, I have some towels, I have a dish soap, and also kind of a white soap. Please excuse the fact I keep clearing my throat. I'm also, you know, just coming off from a cold. And I'm gonna go ahead and just put on my candle. And then for my bathroom hallway, I picked up this I absolutely love this runner right here. I picked it up from Amazon, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put it there. And I believe believe that is basically it, you guys. This is, all I could, like, I didn't want to do too much for the bathroom. I just, added what was necessary, and that is it, you guys. Yeah, guys, please don't forget to hit that like button below if you did enjoy this video, and also please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
How to keep the healing.